Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in prerequisites so you can build fast. First, learn HTML structure and semantics. This makes every page meaningful. Once done, practice CSS layout and responsive patterns so your pages adapt to phones and desktops. Make sure to pick one programming language, JavaScript, and cover DOM manipulation and a basic fetch call. That gives you immediate interactivity. Spend small sprints practicing these tasks daily so you can iterate and see real progress within a week. Next, you move to practical tooling and focused projects. Start by setting up Git and an NPM workflow so your code is tracked and reproducible. This prevents lost work. Once done, scaffold 3 small projects that teach different concepts: a landing page for layout, a to-do app for state, and an API-driven list for async logic. Make sure to use a dev server or bundler like Vite to speed iteration. This reduces friction and helps you test changes instantly while learning debugging patterns. Finally, you wrap up by polishing and deploying what you built. Focus on accessibility, performance tweaks, and push a demo to a free host so you can share work. Once live, practice debugging using console logs, breakpoints, and the network tab to understand failures. If things go wrong, isolate the smallest reproducible case, reproduce it, and then ask targeted questions including code snippets. This shortens fixes dramatically. Make sure to reflect on lessons learned and iterate on the next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.